Let's buy a 4-in-1 ESC and flight controller for my quadcopter. Maybe this one from Sparkhobby. And let's take the one with 60 amps and including the flight controller. What would you expect when you buy one with a large shunt resistor on the ESC? Yes, current sensing, right? But what I found out is that the shunt resistor, even though it is present, it does not really work because there's an amplifier missing. And when I ordered the board, the text was actually not really clear and they didn't say that the current sensor is not working and not supported. So I asked them and asked what chip I should install, but they never really replied. So this is kind of annoying and rude. So take care if you buy stuff from Sparkhobby on AliExpress. But fortunately the fix is rather simple, even though it's annoying to buy half of the parts yourself. But anyway, I will show how to do it. First thing I do is to disassemble the quad a bit and connect it to the computer, to Betaflight, and see that the current reading is all over the place. And this is definitely not the real current reading, so this is just noise from the analog input of the flight controller. Therefore, I know that the amplifier chip is not installed correctly or is not present in my case, so I just solder it on the ESC. The amplifier chip is a INA139 amplifier chip in a SOT23 package, and it's a bit finicky to solder it to the board, but in the end it works. What the amplifier chip actually does is it measures the tiny voltage drop over the shunt resistor, amplifies it, and then the ESC can read it with a normal analog input pin. Therefore, I can just measure the output voltage on the current pin of the ESC, and this is what I'm doing here, and I measure it just with the multimeter. And the output is in a linear relationship to the current on the ESC, so this is how I verify that it works. Then I assemble everything again and put the current reading on my on-screen display, and there we go. Then calibrate the current reading in Betaflight and go for a test flight. I don't have a DVR installed, so you have to enjoy this GoPro footage without the current reading in the OSD. But I promise that it is there and working.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
And clearly you can see that my flying skills drastically improved after installing the current chip, so stuff like this is easily possible. Wait, sick.
But I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
And before somebody complains, I only flew up to 119.9 meters, have a spotter hiding in the bushes, have my drone registration, license, insurance card and ID in my pocket, so no worries people.
Give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. Don't leave me here and dry. Oh, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get
helped you or you just liked it, like or comment or subscription is very much appreciated. So thank you, bye.
You chilling in window